Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. I'm sure y'all are surprised to see that I have yet another subscription box. It's not my fault, it's Stephanie's fault, the Opinionated Horsewoman. She made me do it, she really did. Today though, I'm really excited. I have the Makeup Institute Hank and Henry makeup brush subscription because I don't have enough makeup brushes. 632 is not enough. I need just a few more. I got it. We're gonna open her up and see what we got. While I'm pulling it out the bag, I'll tell you about the subscription for those of you that don't know. And today is a glasses kind of day. You might see lights, pretty lights flashing around in my glasses, but I had to give myself a break from my contacts for a day. So the subscription box, you can get it for $25 a month, and I believe that includes shipping. It looks like you get about 7 brushes. I signed up for a 3-month subscription. I got $3 off, so it was $72. I figured maybe after 3 months I'll have enough brushes and I can stop. We'll see. So here are all the brushes. I'm going to take them out of the crinkly packages and then I'll be right back. One moment, please. So I like how the brushes come with these, I'm going to call them socks. I don't know what they're supposed to be called, but it helps to keep the shape, and those are really nice, like after you wash your brushes, once they're dry, you don't want to do it while they're wet. To put them on to help keep their shape, that's really nice. I like that. So this is a Hank and Henry brush, and it does not say on the brush what type of brush it is. I don't believe any of these do, which is fine with me because I never use them the way they're intended. You know, makeup rules are meant to be broken sometimes. So here's the brush, and oh my gosh, it is so incredibly soft. I just love it. Oh, I cannot wait to use it. Very nice. Nice, the handle is nice and heavy. I like the way the ferrule is that nice soft silver. And it's a short handle. That last video, I think, or one of the last videos, I was talking about how I kind of preferred a shorter handle on my brush. So I like that. And here's another one with the little brush sock. This one's really soft too. Oh, we lost a hair. This also is a Hank and Henry brush. Very nice. And then we have this brush. Looks like that would be a good smudging brush. It as well is nice and soft. And the next brush is a Hank and Henry brush, and this looks like a little packing brush. In the art world, this would be a little shader brush. And then we have this. This is the Makeup Institute brush, and this is a little liner brush. That's nice. This is also the Makeup Institute. This looks like a nice little blending brush, not a blending brush. Very nice. And the last brush is also from the Makeup Institute, and that looks like a smudging brush as well. I guess maybe this is not so much a smudging brush. Don't know what that's for. This definitely is a little smudging brush. That's very nice. I like that. They also sent a little rubberized bracelet. Says the world is better with you in it. It's got the Hank and Henry logo on it. That's super cute. I'll never wear it, but I can find a little girl somewhere, I'm sure, to give it to. And then I don't know if this is just a little extra something that they send, but this is Cherry Mates. This is a Hank and Henry product. It's a liquid mousse matte lipstick, and it is in the shade Brick House. She's a brick house. That's me, y'all. Look at how cute that is with the little frosted glass, and it's got the Hank and Henry logo on it. I hope that's picking up on the camera. Very nice. Ooh, that's a nice color. Very nice. So those are all the items that I got in my Makeup Institute Hank and Henry brush box. Very nice little starter set of brushes. I'm excited to get my next 2 boxes to see what I got. They're so soft. I really love that. Alright, so that's that one. I also got the Walmart Beauty Box. And I'm sure a lot of you out there know about the Walmart Beauty Box. I did not. And I have several friends that watch that I'm sure will be very interested in this little makeup beauty box, or beauty box. I don't think it's necessarily makeup. So the Walmart box is a 4-season box subscription. So you get 1 box for each season, and the items in the box are themed to go with that season. Everything in the box is free. You only have to pay the shipping. The shipping used to be $5, and they have just raised it to $6.98, but along with that, they are supposed to give you a little bit better product. $6.98, y'all, for a box full of goodies. I mean, really? 4 times a year, 4 seasons. So it comes with a little card, and this says Spring 2021, and I will put the link down in the description to both of these subscriptions. And then it has the info on the card about the products, and it looks like they have all the products that could possibly be in the box. I see some products on here that are not included in my box, so the boxes must vary. So right up on top, we have scrunchies. Who doesn't need scrunchies? And I love the black. How cute is that? Let's see what the card says. The card does not say anything about, oh yes it does. Wild Primrose scrunchy hair accessories. They retail for $4.97 to $7.97. And I know y'all see the scrunchie brand in Walmart all the time, so super cute. I like those. I can always use hair scrunchies. As you can see, I got messy hair don't care day going on. The next thing in the box is this Humphreys Witch Hazel alcohol-free toner with nourishing, or it's nourished with aloe. It has wild crop certified witch hazel. I'm not convinced yet that witch hazel is good for your skin, but I'm still researching. This is a full-size product, and it retails for $10.98. So I've already gotten my money's worth out of this box, even though I'm unsure about the witch hazel. Look at how cute that is. The lid looks like a little piece of wood. That's super cute. And then I have Hello, it's me. Hello Activated Charcoal. This is toothpaste. Toothpaste? It's toothpaste. Fresh mint and coconut oil. Epic whitening, fluoride-free toothpaste. It's a little 1-ounce container. And this retails for $3.99. So that's a nice way to try out some products. And then we have the Seventh Heaven Charcoal Peel Off Mask. It's cleansing and detoxifying. Let's see what the card says about this. It's one mask and it's a full size and it retails for $1.37. Free of parabens, phthalates, and other stuff that I can't say. And silicones. I can say silicones. So that's super cool. This I'm excited about. I have seen these Dashing Diva nail strips. They're gel nail strips. And these retail for $6.97 for 32 strips. And they're super cute. There we go. I actually have these, not this design specifically, saved on a couple of my wish lists at different places. I know I have them saved on Ulta. They're easy to apply nail strips, deliver a strong, shiny gel mani that lasts up to 14 days. Mix and match solid colors with show-stopping accent designs for a custom look. Colors vary, so I think other boxes probably got different colors, but those are super cute. Look at that peachy color. It's perfect for Easter. And the last thing in my Walmart beauty box is this Tanologist Face and Body Drops. This is your glow, your shade, your way, designed to be mixed with skincare, makeup, or body care. So these are self-tanning drops. And I don't see them on the card, so I think that was just a little something extra. A little extra sample that they threw in the box for you. So that's everything in my Walmart beauty box. Just a quick little video to show you two of the subscription boxes that I got in this week. Thank you so much for taking a few minutes of your day and spending it with me to watch me blow some more of my money. I greatly appreciate it. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It sure would make my day. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button, and ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers. I really do appreciate your support. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need to get you a charcoal peel-off face mask. Do you know why? Because it's black. See? See how it's black? And then you can put it on when you go fishing. You know, like when they play football. I have a brush hair stuck in my nail. You know, when they play football and they do the black stuff, then it'll keep the glare out of your eyes while you're fishing, and you can detox and cleanse. So you'll be multitasking. Mom loves you, boo. I went through that like a rabid chihuahua.